Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add indicators in TradingView on your smartphone. It's a very simple process, so let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet. And download the TradingView app if you haven't already. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. Once you're in the app, make sure you are already logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the main interface. Here you can see the chart icon at the bottom of your screen. Tap on it. Now that your chart is open, look for the indicators icon. Here you can see the plus icon at the bottom. Tap on it. Now select indicators. In this indicators menu, you will see a search bar at the top. Tap on it. Here you can type the name of the indicators you want to add. Let's add Relative Strength Index or RSI for this example. Once you tap on Relative Strength Index, this indicator will automatically be added to your chart. Now if you go back to your charts, you will see the indicators in the chart. So that's it. That's how you can add indicators in TradingView on your smartphone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.